Russia's Kamchatka experiences worst snowstorm in 30 years. Historic snowfall in Kamchatka. State of emergency declared. The Kamchatka Peninsula, an isolated region in Russia's far east, is experiencing its heaviest snowfall in nearly 30 years. Due to the scale of the event, authorities have declared a state of emergency. The images are stunning. Cars and houses buried under snow, piles of snow sometimes reaching the second story of buildings, and impassable roads that residents are trying to clear with shovels. This severe weather phenomenon has paralyzed the region. The blizzard in Kamchatka prompted authorities to declare a state of emergency on January 15th. Mikhail Leus, chief expert at the Phobos Weather Center, confirmed that the snow cover in the regional capital ranged from 51 to 133 centimeters, while in the neighboring village of Sosnovka it reached 163 centimeters, the highest snowfall since the beginning of the 21st century. Social media circulated videos showing snowdrifts covering the area, some exceeding half the height of several multi-story buildings. The state of emergency was declared after 2 people were killed by an avalanche from a building's roof. Authorities opened a criminal case for providing services that do not meet safety requirements, which carries a maximum penalty of 6 years in prison and a fine of up to 500,000 rubles. The Russian Ministry of Emergency Situations warned residents of the dangers of jumping into the high snowdrifts, cautioning that there were potentially dangerous fences, cars, and sharp metal structures buried under the snow that could cause serious injuries. The storm brought daily life to a near standstill. Public transportation was completely suspended in the regional capital, and the Russian National Guard took over the task of transporting residents within the city. Thousands of residents were forced to leave their homes through first-floor windows after the entrances were completely blocked by snow. Schools in Vilyuchinsk and several other districts switched to distance learning. Authorities mobilized extensive efforts to address the disaster, with rescue teams, student battalions, and volunteers joining forces with military units, including submarines, to clear snow and rescue those trapped. The regional governor, Vladimir Solodov, announced that road services would work to widen roads and remove abandoned vehicles obstructing snow removal equipment, while government offices switched to remote work. The regional prosecutor's office announced it was directly overseeing the storm response efforts, opening approximately 130 investigations based on residents' complaints received through the hotline. Authorities also threatened administrative action against management companies that failed to adequately clear the area.